Hi, and thank you for playing this video. Today we'll look at managing projects with Abak. Let's start with project configuration. In Abak, you can create as many projects as you want. A project can be associated with one client and billed to another. When creating a project, you can set standard parameters such as status, start and end dates, and access restrictions. Budgets can be set at the highest level, where you can keep track of the contract and bill amounts easily. There are many places where you can set billable rates in the project. Project Default Billable Rate allows you to specify your rates on a project-by-project basis. Each project also has its own invoicing settings and accounting information, such as the GL entry. Now, let's look at detailed budgeting and planning for the project. You can set up a budget for each activity in the project. Abak will also tell you how much of that budget has already been spent. Finally, actual progress and hours left to complete can be captured right here. Rates are configurable at the activity level as well, allowing for different rates as well as billable and non-billable activities in the same project. It's easy to see how much of the budget has been invoiced already. The same budgeting flexibility applies to expenses. Just like tasks, expenses can have specific rates for this project or use the default system rate. Of course, in project planning, the manager can assign resources, functions, and allowed pay codes for the project. Abak supports both simple project configurations, as we've just seen, or more complex project configurations, which we call phase-based projects. Abak supports up to 7 levels of subtasks in phase projects. This allows you to plan with more detail and also assign people to each phase or subphase. Now, let's talk about project assignations. The neat thing about assigning team members to projects is that they will be able to log their time directly from the Assignment tab in their timesheets. It also helps team members plan their weeks, knowing how much time they're supposed to put on each project for the period. Now that we've configured projects and input time and expenses, let's look at budget control. The Project Control Report lets project managers keep on top of their projects. They see the budget, work in process, build work, and whether the project is still on target. From the financial perspective, the Income and Expenses report says it all. In one click, it's easy to see whether a project or a client is profitable. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to see more of Abak, please contact us. It will be a pleasure to chat with you.